yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
Grab your stick.
Okay.
Well, you can when you want.
Okay. This is a good stick. Are you sure we do it now?
You can if you want.
I want to wait. I want to do my sparkler. Why do I say it like that? No, I'm just going to go get my sparkler. And then do I light it off the torch?
No, I wouldn't wait.
That's what your dad told me. Ah! Something just fell. Just let the grass is on fire.
Ah!
Where's our stick?
I think they're right there.
Can I see that one right there?
Yeah.
This
No,
is mine. Just as the grass is on fire, I would be careful. It's right there.
I'll go get water.
No, Toothless. Toothless, don't do it. You could burn your skin. Oh yeah, we're fireproof.
Die.
Okay, Toothless is crazy about fire. But all right. Let's put stick right there. Yep. Okay. And by the way, it isn't on dirt. Okay. Bam, bam. Bing, bing. I'm kidding. Let's not do that because I'm not cray right now. That's what Toothless always says about me. Cray. Oh my goodness.
What's the actual name? What's the full name? Can I look at it?
Oh, okay. See you guys later. Bye.